Hey everybody, today we're going to be making Chinese food. And I know what you're saying, people will make anything and call it Chinese food, but today we're gonna actually put that to the test. So first, we're going to start off with 2 pounds of chicken breasts to be specific. And you're just going to want to chop that up, not super fine, keep it a little bit thick. And then you're going to let that marinate in, I believe, 1 cup? Yes, 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Yeah, mix it around a bit so that it touches all the chickens, and then set that aside to marinate. Then you're going to move on to chopping up 1 onion. Not super finely, but yeah, make it a bit coarse. Easier to chop it down in half, and I don't really know what to say when my mom's chopping things. It's like, you guys don't know how to chop. I mean, it's kind of too bad. I don't know. There's not much explaining to do. But then you're going to get these colorful bell peppers, and I'm pretty sure the colors do taste different. I'm pretty sure they do. Yeah, I hope they do. But you're going to chop that up similar to the onion, keep it a little bit thick so that your dish has a little bit of substance and it's filling. And then you're gonna move on to the carrots, chop up all the carrots, and while my mom is doing that, I will tell you guys that, remember how we said that we were going to put it to the test? Well, we actually brought our friend from Dongguan in China, and he's going to try this out, and he's going to let us know what he thinks about it. So yeah, so we'll tell you guys if it's truly authentic or not. And then we're gonna start cooking now. So stick some olive oil in a pot, and you're going to sprinkle some salt on top of that, 1 tablespoon. And mix that around, cook the onions a little bit. Then you're going to add all of the chicken breasts that had been marinating into the pot. And you're going to mix it around a little bit at first just to incorporate it, and then you're going to go ahead and cover it until it cooks a little bit more. And you're going to add in those carrots, you're going to add in those bell peppers, and you're going to add in some more spices. You're going to add some paprika. I think that's it, actually. No more spices other than that. Mix that around, though. And it should start to look very nice and colorful like this. And the chicken is cooked, obviously. Then you're going to quickly chop up some parsley so that we could throw that in there as well. I don't know if it's just me, but I think when people chop parsley, it's really satisfying. Like how everything gets smaller. Anyways, put the parsley, or not all of it, some of it, into the pot. And mix that around 1 more time. In a separate pan, we're going to prepare our nuts. So put some avocado oil and then stick some cashews in there and let them become brown and nice and toasty. And then you're gonna add some soy sauce, and when we plate it, you're going to add some rice, and my mom is going to link that video as well if you want to see how to make that rice. But other than that, that's it.
哇，这也太正宗了吧！不错。我在美国朋友家里吃到他们做的中国菜，真不错，比那个 Panda 强多了。
Okay, so I guess he said that it was authentic. So there you have it. This is Chinese food, and you can tell people that you make Chinese food now. So that's it. We hope you enjoy. Good luck.